Now you will see the steps for receiving loans. If we receive or want to receive any loan, then we have to first create a ledger named as loan under loan and liabilities. So we go to accounting voucher and then we create ledger, and let's see step by step. We go to accounting vouchers and let me go to ledgers, and if I go to alter, do I have loan here? No, I don't have loan here, so I have to create one. Loans under loans and liabilities. Loans liability. Effect inventory values are affected? No, it is as defaulted as default. So then I go to receipt mode. I go to accounting vouchers. I go to receipt mode and then I select cash or bank. Accounting vouchers, I go to receipt mode, I select space bar and then I select bank because I will take loan from bank. Okay. I will take loan and save it in bank. Okay, so now I select here that from which company, from where I take loan. I select bank and then I select the ledger, loans ledger. Here I select amount. Suppose I take 2000 rupees loan. In the form of cash or check. So if I go to balance sheet, I will see here that now my loans and liabilities has increased by 200%. Loans, earlier it was 0, now it is 2000 rupees. This is my loans and I have to pay it back. Double click and I see. So I took loan from bank. It is separate from my bank account. It is different from my bank account. Earlier I was how much money in my bank account? Earlier it was 4 lakh and 86,000. Now I have took some loan. Now I have to pay back the loan in the form of interest. So thus I have to create an interest, a ledger named interest on loan under indirect expenses. So these are steps to create interest on loan. Interest ledger. First create this interest ledger and then select accounting voucher and select journal mode. Then we select interest on loan ledger. We enter the amount of interest only after calculating interest. Suppose it is an example. It is not hard and fast that you should take 3000 only. You can also take 1000 also. And if interest is 14%, then we have to multiply with, this is multiplication sign, star. Make credit to as, make dr as cr. Select the loan ledger and save it. Let's see. Go to account info. We go to ledgers. We create loans on interest on loans. Interest on loans under indirect expenses. We have to be very careful about the list of groups. We have to select the correct list of groups. Suppose like in this case, under interest on loan, we have to create group on indirect income, indirect expenses. So we cannot select indirect expenses indirect. We can also select indirect expenses or expenses bracket indirect. So two groups. So I select indirect expenses and I select inventory values are not affected, and then I have thus created a ledger named interest on loans. Now I go to accounting vouchers, I select journal mode, and then I select, I again see the steps, I select accounting voucher, I select interest on loan ledger. Interest on loan ledger, I have to calculate it. So I select Control plus N to find my calculator. So here comes a wonderful application in the Tally. It is the calculator. You can see here my cursor is here. So I have to calculate the interest. Suppose I have took the loan on 2000 rupees. I have to calculate interest of 14% rupees on 2000. And it is beautifully shown here that interest is 280 rupees. Here it is 280 rupees. Interest on loans. Interest. So I have to first take loan. I have not taken loan yet. So I have created ledger on loan. I have taken loan of 2000 rupees and now I want to pay back the loan. Okay. Select journal mode and then I select interest on loan. It is 280 rupees as I have seen, 280 rupees. Here I have to select loan ledger. Select loan ledger, make DR as CR. Okay, I have to make DR as CR. DR is already CR. Let us see. So if I see my balance sheet, it is my interest of 200 to 280 rupees. So it is interest, and when I have to pay it back, again I go to accounting vouchers, I select payment mode, and then I select cash, and then I select loans. So you can see that here loan was 2000 and and loans was 2000 rupees, and interest is 2280 rupees. 280 rupees is interest, so 2280 rupees I have selected. So I have paid back my loans, and when I go and see the balance sheet, I will see that loans and liabilities is now cleared. If I press LT plus F1, I will see that loans and liabilities now clear. So it was all about interest and loans. We select accounting vouchers and we go to payment mode. So I have already paid back the loan. So let us see it once again. Go to accounting vouchers. We select accounting vouchers. We select bank, and then we select loans. If we want to take loans from bank, we take loans. Suppose we take 2000 rupees loan, and so we have taken 2000 rupees loan, and now we have to pay also interest on the loan. Select account vouchers. So you can select cash. We have taken loan of 2000 rupees, and now we will calculate the interest. Go to accounting vouchers, select account and select cash. Select interest on loans.
ये सब बैकवर्ड सोचना है